Yo, what up, my people? It's Darko Vibes from Ghana. I just put out my new single featuring Davido, Je m'appelle, and I'm here to face the fans, so stay tuned. MX24 though, love you. Well, I believe that comparison is the thief of joy. So I don't think about what I possess against other artists. I just only think about the art and I just spread my wings and then I move. Yeah. I mean, life is always about balance. So sometimes I do it for myself. Sometimes I do it to satisfy my fans, friends, and then family members. Yeah. First song, I mean, I've heard a lot of songs. I'm a music enthusiast, but I think I fell in love with Lil Wayne. I'm a big Lil Wayne fan. So that was in hip hop. That was when I fell in love with music and I was like, okay, right now there, I want to sing too because Lil Wayne, I know every Lil Wayne song and I want to put that on a record. Yeah. Okay, so I'll say I bear them Magnum, Joey B, R2Bs, Whiskey, Davido, Sarkodie, Stonebwoy. Yo, big shout out to Stonebwoy, one God. Every day, consistent support. The list goes on and on and on. I'm on the spot right now, so yeah, but the list, it goes on. Like, I've had mad support from people. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah. So I went to perform at one of, I think Vodafone X or something. I shut out well, I was looking like Tupac and that. And then I got there, I stood there, I don't know if it's Rocco or something. I stood there, I went early. I saw them pack everything and I stayed till they pack everything where dew started rain for me and then the packers all on the top. That was my worst. And then some other time to Chalewate, went to perform Chalewate. Joey B and Papi Kojo perform, no. Can you imagine Joey B and Papi Kojo at that time? Where them perform, no, they say make me a come. Who know me? I did perform, maybe I see my ex, I think I say, yo, my girl, she go see me, happy for me. I climb stage, I did perform, everybody started walk, they go. Now, then they walk, they go, make matter, make worse now. The chief and staff started shooting gun and stuff because they are coming. So they start shoot gun, make them open inside because they were spreading the popo and things. So you can imagine, I was on stage and I even forgot that I was on stage. So I was just there holding the microphone and watching everything that's going on. And that was one of the worst. They had to tap me and say, you did stage. To remember that I was on stage to sing. That was one of them. Yeah. Who in Lamin was I closest to? Me, I'll say that I had like equal love for all my friends. It wasn't like, say, I love somebody past anybody because all of us as kids, we grow away, we learn too many other things from each other. So it was equal and it's still equal like that. Yeah, there's no higher love or higher hate, same love. Yeah. I mean, definitely. Hopefully we are hoping to like do the Lamem concert this year, the Crusade. We are hoping to do that this year and hopefully give you guys 1 or 2 singles. But yeah, a lot has been going on around the world and we've been trying to use silence to increase respect. So, I mean, Lamem Gang is always together and you guys should expect like magic from us, no cap. I mean, we are still in the early stages. It's just been like 2 weeks and a couple of days. So, I mean, we can have this conversation again in maybe a year or 2. And then hopefully there's something intriguing. But right now, the support, the energy, the love, the feedback, everything is positive 100 and I love it. Yeah. Yeah, so I like to enjoy myself. So one of these nights I was in town, big shout out to Eric of Twist. I was in town, I met Davido, I met Big Bro Davido. I was like, big bro, Charlie, please, I'm working on my album. I've been going in, you know, like, because we've been meeting in town a couple of times. Like, please, I need your blessings. So I was like, yo, pull up to my apartment. I make sure I said that day I was looking fly. I shot out well. I went to the apartment. I was like, big bro, I'm here now. I was like, okay, play me some of your songs. started playing one or two. I play, chairman or they say anything. I say, hey, chairman, are you really and truly going to say that as we did here? You know, hear nothing way sweet. Fast forward, I play Je m'appelle. He was in his room. He ran kind of was like, yo, bro, what song with this? What song with this? What song with this? Play that song again. We played it a couple of times. I was like, okay, bro, let me do the pre-hook. You handle the hook. I do my verse. And bro, I love this song, so I'm really going to hold you down. Came to the video shoots where the kente. He was sweating, but I did it till the end of the video. No, plenty of artists don't go do this thing for you. But I do one for me. You give me bread. So you put for see that one and 10 come for me. You hear? Thank you very much. My best off-camera moments. I would say the part where we both were wearing the kente. That was like legit hard. In my head, I was like, hey, Charlie, OBO, baddest. They're wearing the kente speaking Ghana. That's like some next level thing, especially for Ghana music, Charlie. I mean, I'm really, really happy say come through, Charlie. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Opera music, I'd love to try that. Crazy sounds. Love to try that, sample that into some of my songs and so many other things. That's basically it for now. Yeah. I would say my friends, my family, and my fans. All of them contributed. Like I have this song on my album called Midasi, Pan Logo. That was like 2020. I had this song called Midasi, and I was talking about how everybody really and truly supports me, help me, and then they make sure I stay here. And I was giving shout outs to a lot of people, a lot of friends, a lot of family, and a lot of fans. So yeah. Maybe I would say that everybody has been instrumental to the growth of brand Darko Vibes. Yeah. Best African music album of all time. That's crazy because you see, like I was saying earlier, comparison is the thief of joy. So usually when I'm listening to songs or albums, I don't listen to an artist album like, okay, last year when you did this album, it was sweeter than this one. Usually when I'm listening, I listen to your state of mind. And everybody has the way that they listen to music. Somebody, they approach the beats first. Somebody go, they approach melodies first. Somebody go approach lyrics first. Usually I like to approach your state of mind when I'm listening to an album. So it varies, it goes on, and like so many other people are listening to them all like, oh, this one be hard, but then again, this one is equally very, very hard. I know they feel it talks, okay, this one hard past this one. Because it doesn't make me feel comfortable. Most awkward. I haven't had that yet because me, I'm always happy or I'm late. So awkward moments, maybe somebody will say that they've had one awkward moment with me because I was too happy or I was too late. But me personally, I'm always too energetic to have any awkward moments, Charlie. For real. Top 5. Me, I'll mention our 2Bs, no cap. I'll mention Kim Promise because I'm always in the studio with this guy. They bust my brain back to back. They teach me so much. I would say Whiskey. I would say Big Bro Davido. I would say Burna Boy. Because these people are like big influences in my music career. And then because it's 5, I can go on and on because I'm a huge Stonebwoy fan. Like if you listen to my music closely, you know for a fact that I understand every Stonebwoy verse. I sing every Stonebwoy verse. So like me now, like I tell you, I know they select somebody, they talk, so okay, they love this person over this person. I just be music lover. So me, me say recently, now I realized I'm a big Taga, Young Tag. I just realized I'm a big Young Tag fan. Like I can sing every Young Tag verse back to back. And I just realized that one, Charlie. I'll say Mugeez. Why? Because Charlie, bro, it's Mugeez, bro. He really put me on when it comes to melodies, lyrics, songwriting, picking beats, putting yourself in the song, let people connect to the mood. I'd say Mugeez on any day. So I have this thing called Vibes to the World that I'm working on, and we are going to start this next year. It's going to be like a worldwide thing because we are spreading good vibes into the world. So you guys should get ready for that one, man. Just keep supporting and pull up. Whenever I say pull up, please pull up. Make the place full up. You understand? Yeah, man. Yo, my name is Darko Vibes, and I just put out my new single featuring Davido, produced by Beats, and I literally just faced the fans. Don't take anything personal. Opinion are like noses. You have your own. I have my own. We move.
Bad mind, no be say you be baddest. Come on, tell her what you manche. One yellow when good one day. Money sweet, but get to me the problem. Open your mind, it be your awareness. Now when all you walk, we never back up. Roll the enemy up, smoke like ganja. Jungle party is a liquor. She your bank and go. Miss Bobo, check it out, me at that book. Check it out, me check it.